You've just seen tester from today's video. It will be a little different. We are going retro for the first time, and I will show you how I got on tying my headscarf Sloane style. Before you see my results, I'd like to tell you about this style and where it came from. The term Sloane Ranger has been around since mid-1970, and it will be forever associated with Sloane Square in London. Style watchers and journalists penned articles and wrote books describing the social habits and customs of a section of English society, a group they name the Sloane Rangers. Initially, the observation focused on female Sloane, the lady and girls who enthusiastically adopted Hermes scarf as a part of their uniform, wearing them like a badge of office. Let's see how I got on it. The first look I'm going to show you I've called the twist. As my inspiration, I'm using the cover illustration of Peter York's book Style Wars. It is not every day you see a girl with a headscarf featured on a book cover. We will need a large 35 by 35 inches square silk scarf, preferably Hermes. Fold the scarf to form a triangle. We drape the scarf over the head and form a little band on the long edge of the scarf. Twist the ends of the scarf a few times. To make a knot, we need to take the ends of the scarf this way. If we do it horizontally, it will use up a lot of fabric, and the results will look different. And now we just tie a single knot and elongate it lengthways. Like this. It will create this kind of twist effect. We now place our knot on the front of the chin, making sure we don't pull the scarf too tight. We want the scarf to look good from the back as good as from the front. Now let's see how it looks with the jacket. Back in a second. Et voila! Our first look is ready. Second style, under the lips. For the second look, I folded the triangle a little differently. It will give us more fabric and nice looking ends. We tie a knot under the lips and pull the back end down. It will give us this beautiful volume. Now let's see how it looks with the jacket. so important to get the details right. And sure, the scarf has a nice fall back the back. If you don't like having to make frequent adjustment, I know a single knot can be prone to slipping, or you're worried you might lose your precious scarf, say on a windy day, then simply tie it with a double knot. I make a little band inside of the triangle. Tie a double knot. Like this. I can tie it with a double knot resting below my lips, or I can place it with a knot on my chin, like so. You can, of course, do what suits you best. How did I do? I wonder which of the three styles you like the best. So there you have it, my take on recreating Sloane style. I have really enjoyed making this video for you, and I plan to do more on this stem, but this will be something for the future. If you like this video, then please give me a like. Subscribe to my channel, where you will find plenty more fresh ideas for you to try. And I'd like to thank a friend for the idea of this video, for all his help and suggestions. Thank you. If you have ideas for videos, then let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!